Good morning. Outfit check. Outfit check. Outfit check. Outfit check. Let's go. Okay, so that's been ilang minutes na yan? 5 minutes of walking. Maybe 10. Colon Station tayo. Kasi pupunta tayo ng... Saan tayo ba na? Saan tayo pupunta?
Yes.
Surprise lang, surprise. Kaya muna tayo. And then, zoom. Ito, baka masarap to. Ito pala. Kasi may Pikachu. Wait lang, mami. May baon na tayo. Dun.
Nangangalakal, oh.
Alam niyo na saan kami pupunta.
Nakakahiya, oh. May dalang kalasal.
Let's go. Bakit? Si Goofy yan, tsaka si Mickey. Walang highlight. Yan. Looks familiar. Tingnan mo yung train station. Yup. Okay, we're here. Yay! What's that? Okay. Tripod is ready. Snacks muna tayo. Picture tayo dyan. Let's get some good shots. And then, get inside. Hug. Okay. Let's go na. Papasok na tayo. Dahil na tayo mag-photo ops. Pasok na. Let's go, pasok. We're in! Hanap natin yung kaso. Ano yun? Sino yun?
Hoy, no flying.
Haba ng pila. Sobrang dami ng tao.
Papa.
Even on a weekday.
Oh.
Since lahat naka-Mickey, halos, di kami papatalo. Meron din kaming Mickey. Let's go, pila! Napakahaba. Sayayay ba? Pasok pa lang. Your magical journey begins here. Pila pala ulit. Galit na ang mami. Hayaan mo siya. Ang Alon, Yayay, si Papa, happy. Just in time, 10:30. Sa loob na tayo. Papahinga pa rin si Alon. City Hall. Diyan yung stroller. Dito lang kami. Wrong information si Mami.
Pero buti naligaw ako.
May free pala tayo,
Pero buti na nga niligaw. Hindi ko alam.
Oo nga, buti naligaw tayo doon. Pero ito. Nasa fire station pala. Fire department ang mga stroller. Okay. Tumigil ng maliit. That's part of the challenge. Okay lang yan, but let's lakad na dito sa gitna. Ayan, ha. Photo ops na kami ng konti. But wow, this is beautiful. Thank you ulit, Ma'am.
Maliit lang pala,
At
ano?
pinagbigyan tayo ng weather. Hiningi natin yan kanina. Magandang weather. So, yan. Magandang weather nga naman. Yay! Ganda ng stroller, oh. Mickey Mouse. Ay, si Minnie Mouse pala yun.
Tapos dito sa kabila.
Ito si Mickey. Look at that. Woo! Time check. Ah, sumasayaw pa si Mickey. 11:30. Woo! Ride. First ride. Where's the first ride?
Ano to, may dito sa gilid to. Paikot na lang gawin natin.
Ito na yung gitna, no?
Ito, ayun. Ulan.
So dito yung sinasabing maganda mag-abang sa Momentus.
Oo, dyan sa may bakod naman.
What's this? Attractions.
Grabe, tingnan mo sa Frozen.
Dami.
Ang wait time.
Ah, dito pala yung wait time. No. Nasaan na sila? Ayun pala. Say hi. Hi ka.
Ito ganda ko. Tingnan mo. Ito.
Nayayay kasi. Oh. Rocket. Ate, may rocket. Magpa-blast off na yung rocket.
The shoot! Pick up your blaster!
Pick up blaster! Pick up blaster! Oh! May score to! May score to! Oh! Galingan niyo! Competitive ako eh!
Ayun, good. Ano ni Kang?
Eto na!
Ay, hindi pala.
Ang galing ng mami ah!
Very competitive.
So, great job, people.
Great job! Great job si mami!
Very competitive.
First round! Na-amaze agad sa first round! Iron Man naman! The Iron Man experience! Allowed si Anon kasi height is not enough. So si Papa muna. Later si Mami. Let's see what's inside.
What's up, buddy? I'm busy here at the expo, hanging with my people. Wait, what? Hydra wants my arc reactor? Get out of there, Jarvis. I'm on my way. 收到，即刻翻去報警先。Nice work. Let's get you back to the expo. Let's go. Stay close to me. I'll keep you safe. Leading. Go, go, go. Hi, how are you? Enjoying the tour? Hey. 所有乘客安全無恙。Jarvis, those aren't just guests. They're heroes. Jarvis, detach the cable. Welcome back. We saved the arc reactor.
Mami, you don't want to miss it. Oh, sabi sa'yo. Okay, let's go. Angas, diba?
Swang ko yun.
Nasa space pa rin tayo. Tawak. Wow. That was a grabe experience. Di pwede si Alon. Pero wag natin sabihin kay Mami. Then kunin natin yung reaction niya. Where are they? Whew. Nice one. You should try! Subukan mo, lakad-lakad. Doon ka pumasok sa single lane. Kasi isasama ka lang sa mag-isa. Mabilis lang. Hindi ka pipila ng ano. Bilis. Sayang, si Alon, di pwede doon. Oo, kawawa. Inauchi kasi. Kaya nag-iinarte. Inauchi kasi. Ayun na si Mami. Ano sasabihin na ito?
Nag-grogi ako. Hindi na ako sanay. Nag-grogi ako. Nahilo ako. Muntik ako magtumba pagkababa ko.
Ang bilis nyo. Grabe yun. Ikot muna si Papa kasi nag-change diaper ang maliit. Ito ice cream, popcorn, castle right there, Grand Carousel.
Hindi pa lang.
Kain muna.
Diyan siguro, Papa. Ayun,
Sige.
it's available so. Alon,
check this
punta
out.
kay Papa, anak.
Tayo doon. And then doon. Amazing! Awesome! Ganda! Ang ganda! Super timely ah.
Oo,
Pagdating kasi dito,
5 minutes start.
dalawang isip ka pa ah. Sobrang sakto.
Maganda pala.
Namabot pa tayo, 5
Akala ko
minutes.
simple nga na lang eh. Storytelling.
Now it's na. Sa theater.
Wait lang, kukunin ko lang yung story.
One of a kind. World class talaga. Ano yung sabi nila? This is where dreams come true. Tama ba? Diba Disneyland yun? The theme? Uy, it's a small world. It's a small world pala yun. Wow. It's Beauty and the Beast. Dito tayo kakain. Ganda ng kaso.
Marami. Ito may ramen.
Ito, Japan. Sige, doon ako sa Japan. Ikaw dyan ka? Ang sarap ng grill. So, let's go Japan. We're back at it. World of Frozen muna tayo. Medyo umaambon. Sana hindi tumuloy yung ulan. But let's enjoy a few more rides. Let's go park. Let's go park. Let's go park. Dito lang. Huwag ka mag-overtake. Alon. Alon. It's our turn na. Yes. Welcome! Yay! Bye-bye, small world.
Thank you.
Small world.
Bye-bye.
So many, no? Okay, let's go.
This one daw, this one.
Gusto mo ba? Pindot, pindot.
Very good.
Very good. Pindot.
Taray, ang ganda, may pa-entrance. Ito 15 minutes, yung Jungle River 2. Saan pa tayo?
May yung mga tagpa 5 minutes. Meron nakita dyan kanina. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng 2? Ah, 2 ano? Ito. Feel magic something. What's
Ano
that?
yan eh, nakalagay parang 3D something. Hindi pa tayo nakapunta dito sa likod. Oh, dito yata yung River 2.
Ah, okay, dito. Sige. Wait, kaya pa. May fairy tale. Meron pa dito? Itong Merlins. What's this? Ay, ano lang yan? Mga shock. Okay. Come on. One more. Where? Oh, may naririnig ako. Sounds like dinosaurs. Alon, gusto mo dinosaurs?
Natutuwa si Alon doon. Dito na lang, sa Jungle River Cruise.
Wow, okay.
Dito na lang sa Jungle River Cruise.
Ito na yun, ito yung jungle. Alon, parang para sa'yo to ah. Yes, gusto mo animals? Oops, animals? Ah, sila Olaf na yun sa'yo? Okay, I see something. Anak ko, super colorful na ko.
Ala, ayun si Zootopia oh.
Ano to? I'll just check. What? No! No! Nabasa lang ako. Okay, ito, riverboats.
Welcome to the Jungle River Cruise. Now the weather time is 150 minutes. For the next interest we will arrive in around 35 minutes. Thank you.
May nanunulak! Sorry.
Ala, no, yung mami.
Sorry.
Ala, no, ah.
Welcome to Musik Coba dengeran Pesona Indonesia di Pulau Sulawesi Ujung utara Sulawesi Utara Tempat yang indah kota bikinan tercinta Coba datang dan nikmati Keindahan alam negeri ini Salat lembek di depan mata Pancarkan pesona yang tiada duanya Kicauan burung-burung terdengar sangat merdu Menandakan akan datangnya hari yang baru Indahnya alam ini membuatku terpaku Seperti dunia ini hanya untuk diriku
Sambutlah mentari pagi yang berseri-seri. Ini bukan mimpi tapi nyata dan asli. Menambah semangatku untuk menjelajahi wisata alam kota Bitung yang telah menggoda hati.
Selamat datang di kota Bitung. Mari ramaikan festival pesona Selat Lembeh. Nikmati ekowisata yang mempesona. Tunjukkan pada dunia warna-warni kota Bitung. Pariwisata Bitung, bahari flora fauna industri dan religi. Festival pesona Selat Lembeh membawa kota Bitung lebih dikenal di mata dunia.
Alright, let's count 3 more seconds and I will stop my ball. 3, 2, 1. Oh, no one counting. Oh, 1, 0. Alright, my ball is stopped. It's time. I just do fun.
Grabe?
This is so fun. This is so fun.
Ano nakita mo? Ano animals na doon. Ay, sabi na, mag-enjoy sa mga animals eh. Good choice with the jungle. Little one enjoyed the animals. Gabi, maganda yung experience actually yung gabi.
Oo, no?
Kasi yung fire makikita mo, tapos yung...
Pero may init talaga siya, no?
Oh, ang galing, ang galing. What's next? What's next? What's next? We are looking at Moana. Watch tayo saglit, watch tayo saglit. Let's go.
You took my phone! Hey, hey. Good.
Hey, hey.
Hey, hey.
Hey, hey.
You swallowed the heart!
好心你唔好咁大聲頭啦，出面有好多妖怪都想要佢嘅心啊！
We did it!
唔使係。
Now, will you help me restore the heart of Tenfiti? Let her come to me!
Let's go! What a cute show! Sakay ulit, sakay, sakay.
Naaambon na naman. Nakakainis. Ayan na, pumwesto na nga mga Pinoy sa... sa Momentos. May mga pumwesto na doon.
Beautiful, 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 beautiful. So daan muna tayo na... sorry. Daan muna tayo na mabibili. Souvenir. Di pwedeng wala.
Ayun, may magandang pwesto na to.
Yeah. Oh, saan tayo bibili ng merch?
Pumasok ka na. Ay!
Saan ka? Ah, maghahanap ka pala siya. Okay, okay, okay.
Bananas.
Palaman? Gusto mo palaman?
Yan ano? Are you ready?
Ay, maghahanap ng palaman. Okay, mami. Yeah. Naka-merch na. Everyone's getting ready for the Momentus. Castle right there. We have quite a good spot. Christmas tree. The street. Woo. Ready na lang tayo. Woo. Tripod na tayo. Then, sumiksik. Nandun yung street sa likod. Dito na tayo sa Cathedral mas harap-harap.
Show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, when did you last let your heart decide a whole new world, a new fantastic point of view? No one else
Seryoso. Grabe na yun, naiiyak ako. Seryoso. This is so magical. I swear. Hala! Nauto! Nauto! Hala! Hala! Habol! 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 Okay, Disneyland. Look at that Alan Gray. Super. Uy! Hug! Aww!
Papa.
Oh, that's so sweet. That's so sweet. Look how sweet. Look, look of coming down. No, na. Naramdaman niyang kinakausap natin siya. Nakakaiyak. Oh my goodness. This is just a dream come true. To Papa. To Mommy as well. Yeah.
Let's go.
Not your dream right now, Alan Gray. And again, we're sorry for that. Pero I hope you feel it.
Ulit yan.
I hope you feel it, anak.
Papa.
Balik tayo kapag ma-appreciate mo na siya.
In Japan.
And then,
Thank you so much. Naka-approve siya. Naka-approve siya. Thank you so much daw.
oh, that's been too long. I just ran out of words, anak. I'm so sorry. It's so emotional.
Naka-ano siya.
This is
Naka-approve.
super emotional. Yesterday, we went to Ocean Park. And there's a full video for that again for you to watch it. I really hope you enjoy everything. Promise, I'll save everything. This is something that you will watch growing up. We'll travel more. We'll travel more now, okay? See you. Okay na. Okay. Love you so much. Oh. Good job. Oh, I can't get enough. Okay. Kaya na tayo pa uwi. And that video ends here. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to... Say hi to 5-year-old Alon. Say hi. Hi. Hello ka. Hello, Alon. Say mo. Hey, say hello, Alon. Say hello, Alon. I can't stop the video. I can't. I can't. Oh my gosh.
Alon, bye.